Hello everyone, my name is Salsabila P. Ardita. I'm from 10 IPS 3 and today I want to show you how to make a candle for aromatherapy. Enjoy the videos! First of all, you need a glass, a candle wick, a toothpick, then there are candles and oil extract. First of all, you need to heat the water in a flat pan. Then you need a heat-resistant container. You can use an aluminum-based container. Put the wax powder into a container, then place it over boiling water. Wait until it melts and the color of the wax is transparent. Then pour the melted wax into a glass with a wick and add the oil fragrance or oil extracts and stir until blended. Let the candle dry and cut out the wicks if it's too long and the candle is ready to use. Thank you for watching.